Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Daniel are in Dublin. We are in Galway today. Just one second, because I'm in a car park. I arrived to Galway right now, and now I try to find access to the main street. We will walk around the Galway and do some photos and videos, and I'll show you how this place looks like. I decided to choose the hop-off, hop-on bus just to drive around the Galway and to see whatever is the most important. How you can see, it's very busy and very crowded on the street. I love bus hop-off, hop-on because always show you the best places without just walking around, and I'm really happy just because of the COVID. It's new regulation. We need to have a mask on the face, and I will do hop-off, hop-on with the mask on me. It's really strange because I'm driving. I don't remember when last time I used the public transport, but we have no choice. Hopefully weather will be stay how it's right now, and that will be amazing trip around Galway. Look where I am right now. It's Hazel Mountain Chocolate Coffee Shop in Galway. If you remember my trip to Cliff of Moher, that was the chocolate factory which I visited, and was absolutely amazing, with absolutely amazing cakes and coffees. Everything was perfect. And now I see they have a coffee shop in Galway as well. Beautiful, probably the most luxury and most beautiful designing coffee shop what I saw in my life. Of course they have a product, they have a chocolate, they have a chocolate tea, of course some handmade cakes, all gluten free, and they have a super amazing candles with chocolate fragrance. I love it. That's absolutely #1 place to visit in Galway. I showed you Galway Cathedral very fast because it's very late and I think it's 5 minutes to close. I just run to show you how this building, quite new building, look inside. Looks very spectacular. I'm really surprised. Looks absolutely stunning. I start my vlog from car park and I will finish on car park. Now just I try to drive close to the sea, maybe will be some area to leave the car and just walk because weather is really good. But my time what I spent in Galway was absolutely stunning, and hop off hop on just give me more vibes and more amazing place from the small city. I really love it, hopefully you love it as well.